Okay, and we have just a moment here to finish this last problem. My timer, I can make 15-minute videos and it just barely ran out. Looking at my last little problem here, we want to solve this guy out. We have our equation written, so let's just plug in and solve. All right, delta x is unknown still, so we let that go. We have 1/2 times vi, which is 0, plus vf, which is 15, times our time, which is 20. This, once again, just like the last problem, is something that we can just plug into a calculator and solve. We find quickly that our answer here is 150 meters. Okay. In some cases, you will have to use some algebra to solve your final answers, but they aren't overly bad. So, yeah. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask me to come to homeroom sometime or ask me in class. Anything should be fine. All right. From there, continue trying that worksheet and best of luck.